guys, so today we have my 2001 Honda S2000, and I decided to take on the task of changing out the worn factory differential mounts for aftermarket hardened rubber Megan racing ones. So let's get into it. Alright, so they do have quite a bit of surface rust on them. Let's see how the front two look. Yeah, where's it at? There it is. Yeah, there you are. Well, let's get the PB blaster out. Doesn't look too bad all in all. Gonna be glad to get rid of the rusty ones.
Later.
After much struggling, I got the back two out. I guess now it's time to do the front two. They don't look too bad. It's definitely rusty. Can't wait to feel the new ones. Alright, got the front two out. A little bit of a pain, but it's my area's fault, not the car's fault. Blasted northeast. Oh well. Time for reassembly. I already put the what's it called? The new ones in the rear in with the outer bolt. Now I gotta slot in the new ones. Here they are. Don't believe it matters which way they go. Okay, so everything is aligned how it should. I'm just working on cleaning up the rest of the hardware for here, and then should be good to start torquing stuff. Alright, everything is bolted up loosely. Just gotta go around and torque things now. Let's see if I can get to the front bushings without this looking like too much of a mess. Come on, focus. Yep. Yep.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
Alright guys, here we are about a week later. Been driving the car around with the new diff mounts, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with how the car has been behaving with these new parts. So I'm a bit more comfortable setting off and starting on hills, and I believe the transmission goes into gear a little bit easier now, and I believe that's because perhaps the trans isn't shaking around as much under the car now that the driveline has a bit more support. And the clutch, well, that makes sense, I guess, for the same reason. There's a little bit more vibration in the car, but it's not anything crazy. Overall, for less than $300, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the money spent, and I would recommend any other S2000 owner do this to their car. So, thanks again for watching.